Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you this new hidden drying rack for laundry. This is white, it's so discreet, it's beautiful, the material is metal, all this is metallic, and I love it because you can save in so much space in your home with this, and use it is so easy. You have these two racks to dry clothes like this. Or if you have so much clothes to dry, you can open it like this and like this, and you have so much space for put your wet clothes here. You can use it this way. And when you finish to use it, you just put it off the clothes and you can hide your rack. So this is practice, it's beautiful, and I highly recommend it for your laundry room. See you.